Hi guys, today we are playing this game called Survive the Water. Huh? Well, let's wait until I'm going there. I'm about to fall. Every game that has fences, I have to do this. This is like so funny, but it's okay if it's not funny to you. Let's do it. Whee! I was in the void for forever. Oh, water rises. Oh, now I have to go in there. Meow 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 meow. I'm at the flag. Yes, yes. Ay, no. That's my spot. I was here first. I was here first. Oh my god. I think it's a deadly water. I think. Let me try. Heck not. It's removing my health. Okay, but it's lowering. No, I survived that. Let's go. My name is Darianian567. Spin. Yeah. Oh, I almost had the unicorn. The unicorn's so rare. What? Claim. 1K. Yas. Daily claim. What? Water rises. Water rises. Go. Run as fast as bro. No. This can't be. Meow. I died. I wish I had Robux because I would buy this attack helicopter. Super OP. What? What this one? To see shut. I got it. What is this? Claim? Okay. Whoa, that is so high, bro. I can't even see what's going on there. Oh wait, 3 morphs. Now I'm gonna go into this one. Pizza. Num. I can't. I'm gonna be this one. But I want the pink one. I'm going up there. Allah. There you go.
Pizza!
That's pizza. Water is lowering. Hey, my name is there, Yanjin567. Wait, there's Duckling, still a princess.
Pizza!
Sorry for the cough. I have ubo kaya. Oh no. No, I didn't spawn in there. Oh, this game is lagging. Think. Let's leave first. Then we will going back. Pizza. I swear if I lost my pizza, it's still here. Oh, it doesn't leave. Let me give my favorite more. Because this one, I'm still gonna wear it.
Pizza!
so good. French
Pizza!
pizza. Bro. I'm back. I'm in the lobby. Closer. Nah. VIP? Nah. 1. Go. Boop 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 boop. This is an obey. Bro, what the hell, bro? No, nope, nope, nope. Hallie, no, Hallie. No, Hallie. You have to be kidding me right now, bro. You have to be kidding. Ah. Bruh. Named. What? 2 people survived. Who did that?
Pizza!
Yum yum.
Yum! Yum!
What is that? Water rises in pan. Oh. What? I can't even get up. Oh, I can. No! No. I just go my real self. Everyone died. Everyone literally died. So no one survived. No one win. No one win. Look, see? No one is in there. Yep, I told you. No one survived. Wait, what time is it? Oh, 8:43. Still not my shower time yet. My shower time is 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, Mamma mia, Mama, how can I resist ya? Mamma mia, how can I get up there? What the? Nope. Hallie. Nope. Oh my god, bro. Yeah. Nobody also survived there. That is so impossible. Bro, that is so really... Bro, that's like impossible. Whoever made this map, why is it so impossible? Huh? Why is this impossible? Huh? That girl survived! Huh? Huh? How? Like how? No! No. How? This is gonna give me some nerves. Like good gift there. No, I don't care. Give it up. Thank you. What? That is so impossible. That is literally impossible. How? Like for real. For real. No. I don't know even how to subscribe. Oh. Water rises. What the hell? these are tall. No, these are not tall. Ah. Oh, okay.
Pizza!
Water is lowering. Oh no. 1. Yay! Yay, survive. Let's go. Nope. Those look so. What happened there? Oh no! I know how to play. I used to play this map in the Floor's Acid. The Floor's Acid like the same game as this because the creator make them the same but different liquids. I kind of like the Floor's Acid, so I will review that later. But I'm gonna post this video now. Water stays on here at the bottom. Finally. Bye bye. See you later. Have a great time. Bro. Bro, got VIP 1 subscribe.
Pizza!
And bro, subscribe. I don't know how to subscribe.
Pizza!
Pizza.
Pizza!
Haha. Not that life hack. What is that?
Pizza!
She was underwater. Nobody. Let's go. Okay, that's all for today, guys. So if you want me to do the floor acid next or the floor's lava next, subscribe or like. So see you in the next video.